What's the one thing every frequent traveler knows? Comfort and convenience are everything, right? But how do you make your travel experience even smoother? With the right gadgets, that's how. If you're someone who's constantly hopping from airport to airport, you know how crucial it is to have the best tech by your side. From noise-canceling headphones to portable chargers, the right gadgets can turn a long, stressful flight into a breeze. In this video, we're going to dive into the top 8 travel tech gadgets frequent travelers swear by in 2026. These are the must-have gadgets that savvy travelers rely on to make their journeys more comfortable, productive, and enjoyable. So, whether you're a jet setter or someone who's planning their next trip, you'll definitely want to stick around for these game-changing travel accessories. Let's get started. 1. Sony WH-1000 XM5 noise-canceling headphones. Have you ever tried to relax on a flight only to be surrounded by the hum of an engine, chattering passengers, and the occasional crying baby? It's a nightmare, right? But with the Sony WH-1000 XM5 noise-canceling headphones, that's all a thing of the past. These headphones are designed to eliminate virtually all outside noise with industry-leading noise cancellation. So whether you're in the air on a crowded train or sitting in a busy cafe, you'll hear nothing but your music, podcast, or audiobook. But that's not all. They also come with a long-lasting battery life, meaning you can enjoy up to 30 hours of uninterrupted sound before needing a recharge. And if you're in a rush, just a 10-minute charge gives you 5 hours of use. These headphones are the perfect travel companion for frequent flyers who want to shut out the world and immerse themselves in peace and quiet during their journey. 2. Anker 737 Power Bank, PowerCore 24K. If you've ever been stuck at an airport with a dead phone and no available charging outlet, you know the struggle. That's where the Anker 737 Power Bank, PowerCore 24K, comes in. This power bank is the holy grail for those who never want to worry about running out of battery while on the go. It offers ultra-fast charging with its 140W output, allowing you to charge everything from your phone to your laptop at the same time. The sleek design and smart digital display make it not just functional, but also a stylish piece of tech. It's compact enough to fit in your bag, yet powerful enough to keep you powered up throughout your entire trip. No more scrambling for chargers or finding that one working outlet in a crowded terminal. With the Anker PowerCore 24K, you're always ready to stay connected and keep your devices alive no matter where you are. 3. Apple AirTag luggage trackers. Losing luggage at the airport is every traveler's worst nightmare. But with the Apple AirTag, you can rest easy knowing that your bags are always within reach. This simple, yet brilliant gadget helps you track your luggage in real time, even before the airline has realized it's gone missing. All you need to do is place the AirTag inside your suitcase or carry-on, and it syncs to your Find My network. Thanks to the massive network of Apple users, finding lost luggage has never been easier. Plus, the setup is incredibly simple. Just pair it with your phone and you're good to go. Whether you're flying internationally or heading out for a weekend getaway, the Apple AirTag gives you peace of mind and keeps you connected to your belongings no matter where they are. 4. Kindle Paperwhite e-reader. If you're a book lover who's always on the move, the Kindle Paperwhite is a must-have gadget. Gone are the days of cramming physical books into your carry-on or lugging around a heavy stack of paperbacks. With its sleek design and 6.8-inch display, this e-reader allows you to carry your entire library in the palm of your hand. And with its improved display, you can read comfortably even in bright sunlight, perfect for those beach vacations or outdoor trips. The Kindle Paperwhite also offers a longer battery life, meaning you can read for weeks on a single charge. The best part? It's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about your book getting ruined by splashes at the pool or during a rainstorm. If you love reading while traveling, this is the perfect way to keep your book collection with you without adding extra weight to your luggage. 5. 12 South AirFly Pro Bluetooth adapter. Let's face it, the audio system on most airplanes isn't the best. That's where the 12 South AirFly Pro Bluetooth adapter comes in. This little gadget is a game changer for those who prefer using their personal wireless headphones over the airline's standard ones. Simply plug it into the airplane's headphone jack, and voila! You can connect your AirPods or any Bluetooth headphones to the in-flight entertainment system. With the AirFly Pro, there's no need to deal with tangled wires or uncomfortable earphones. It also supports multiple devices at once, making it perfect for those traveling with a friend or loved one. No more struggling to hear the audio or worrying about not being able to enjoy your favorite shows or movies. The 12 South AirFly Pro is the ultimate gadget for tech-savvy travelers who want a seamless experience at 30,000 feet. 6. Epica Universal Travel Adapter. Traveling internationally can be a headache when it comes to figuring out which plug type you need for your devices. But the Epica Universal Travel Adapter solves that problem with ease. This all-in-one gadget is designed to cover more than 150 countries, meaning wherever your travels take you, you'll always be able to charge your devices without a hitch. The Epica adapter features multiple USB-C ports, allowing you to charge not just your phone, but also your laptop, tablet, camera, or any other device with just one compact gadget. Gone are the days of packing multiple adapters or struggling to find the right plug. It's perfect for any traveler, whether you're in Europe, Asia, Africa, or the Americas, as it adapts to the local plug types seamlessly. This travel adapter is designed for efficiency, saving you time and effort by allowing you to stay fully charged on the go. Plus, its lightweight and compact design ensures it won't take up much space in your luggage. The Epica Universal Travel Adapter is the ultimate companion for any tech-savvy traveler, keeping you powered up and connected no matter where your adventures lead. 7. Simo Solis Lite Mobile Hotspot. If you're a digital nomad, remote worker, or just someone who loves staying connected no matter where you are, the Simo Solis Lite Mobile Hotspot is the ultimate solution to your internet woes. This portable device provides fast, encrypted Wi-Fi in over 130 countries, making it a must-have gadget for anyone who needs reliable internet while traveling. It's perfect for situations where public Wi-Fi isn't an option or may not be secure, ensuring you stay connected without any worries. The Simo Solis Lite offers high-speed internet access that supports up to 10 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for group travel or work meetings on the go. Whether you're sending emails, video conferencing, or streaming your favorite shows during your downtime, this device ensures you're always online. It's compact and lightweight, so it easily fits into your bag or pocket, ready for your next adventure. With its user-friendly design and reliable performance, the Simo Solis Lite is an essential tool for anyone who values connectivity while traveling the world. 8. Conair Travel Smart Garment Steamer. Looking sharp while traveling doesn't need to be a hassle, and the Conair Travel Smart Garment Steamer makes it easier than ever. This compact, dual-voltage steamer is the perfect solution for business travelers or anyone who wants to look polished on arrival. It quickly removes wrinkles from clothes, saving you time and money at the hotel laundry. The Conair Garment Steamer is easy to pack, and its collapsible handle ensures it won't take up much space in your luggage. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful steam, making it perfect for quick touch-ups before meetings, events, or dinners. With this handy gadget, you can maintain a crisp, wrinkle-free look without the hassle of ironing or relying on hotel services. So, there you have it, the top 8 travel tech gadgets that are perfect for frequent travelers in 2026. These gadgets aren't just about convenience. They're designed to make your travel experience smoother, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. Whether you're looking to stay connected, keep your gadgets charged, or make your flight more comfortable, these tech tools have you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe for more amazing tips on how to make your trips smarter and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.